Oh girl, what you been doing all summer? What you think I've been doing all summer? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome to all my oldies, and I see you newbies. I see y'all trickling in. Hey, hey, hey. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump into why you guys are here. You're here for Neesha. We know her. We know her. She's cooked in your kitchen. She slept on your couch. We know Neesha. Okay, guys, so we are reviewing Miss Outre Neesha 206, okay? And I have the color too. And guess what? Guess what? I also got the color Cinnamon Spice. And guess what? I got the color Honey Brown. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get this done as quickly as possible. I'm gonna start off with this color number 2. I'm familiar with Neesha. If you guys aren't familiar with Neesha, Neesha is a revamp. This whole Neesha trend, this from 201 to 206. So this whole revamp of Neesha is basically a revamp of the old Neesha from about 2 years ago. I've reviewed multiple Neeshas. I'll leave a playlist right here of my Neesha playlist because she's building up. So we got playlists, okay? Definitely check that out. Let me go ahead and show you guys what she's looking like. She's gonna come with those 2 combs in the front, your 1 in the back, and this one is looking like we're having a middle part, and that's what the parting space is looking like. This is what she's looking like on my skin. Still a little ashy, but you know what? We know how to fix that. We absolutely know how to fix that, so don't worry. So I'm talking this through with y'all because we've done Neesha so many times. We know this girl. We know her. I already see how ashy this is looking. It's looking like a little bit olivey, ashy, but that's kind of expected. I'm going in with my Ebon tint spray. I don't know if it's even Ebon. I don't know. You say tomato, I say tomato. I'm going in with the color dark brown. I like this tint spray because it does absolutely help with these laces. I know it's just the middle part, but I feel like sometimes when I don't go in with it, I still see a cast going on. You can go in with makeup, you can go in with powder, you can do whatever you want to do, but I'm going in with this spray, and I'm just spraying right here on that lace part and a little bit right here where that hairline is gonna look. Okay, ooh, that stuff stinks, y'all. That's what it's looking like after I sprayed it. Really, really natural looking. Let's go ahead and put her on my head. You can go in with a wig grip if you know what? Not if. Let me just go ahead and show y'all the right way. See, I know Neesha. I know her. She's been in my house, but sometimes I forget that you may not know my friend. You know, you may not know her. So with a wig like this, you can go in just with a wig grip, secure her down. It's an easy plop and go. This is what she's looking like, y'all. So I'm liking this style of this new Neesha. It's shorter. It's summertime. It has some nice little curls in here, and it doesn't seem as dense as the Neeshas before. So I'm not sure if Outre is just listening to us and, you know, back to the drawing board, trying again, but I'm excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lace off my head because you know what, the way it's kind of so dense, I know for sure that I don't wear my Neeshas up in a ponytail or anything like that. It's no technique to cut this off. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just cutting that lace straight off, y'all. All right, let's go ahead and put her on. All right, so I'm already looking like the director of the school PTA, but it's okay. I can look like her. Let's go ahead, and I want to go ahead and add some heat to her, but I'm already liking the texture. We like Neesha. I like Neesha's texture. Her texture feels good. She absolutely feels much thinner and much more wearable than the Neeshas before, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some heat. Actually, I think I want to shift her. Okay, that's better. Okay, that is way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some heat just right here to kind of flatten it out. This parting space actually looks a little tight. You can fix that by either plucking it out, but I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of powder because we are trying to get this review done for y'all. But I'm liking it. I'm liking it so far. Let me go in with a little bit of heat and I'll be back. All right, so I lied. I actually am gonna come back and put the heat on with you guys. So I'm noticing that this part, because it was in the middle, is really straight. So we're just gonna curve this part a little bit and get it to look a little bit more realistic. So with the heat, you want to make sure that you don't go in and give her a press. We're not trying to press her over here, okay? We know the texture is going to change. I'm just going in with a little bit at the top because packaging sometimes kind of, you know, makes it a little humpy here. So you just want to flatten it a little bit. You can actually use like the back of the flat iron, or if you comb it through, it gets straighter. What happened to my earring, y'all? So brushing it, I'm noticing that the curl is kind of staying, but I honestly would finger comb these and not brush it too much. You can brush it like to get like the extra strands of hair out, but you don't want to brush it too much because past Neesha experience, because y'all know I told y'all she's been in my house multiple times. I know this girl. I know her. The curls do kind of tend to drop, so you just want to kind of finger comb it. So this is what she's looking like. Side and in the back. All right, so now to open up that part, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Mocha, and I'm just gonna open up that part. Look, do y'all see that? Look what just happened. When you go on with powder, the parts open up and it looks more realistic and it doesn't look so wiggy. If you want extra flare, you can put a little bit of spray right here to secure it and make it look extra flat. But guess what? We're not doing all that. So this is what she's looking like. I think she's really cute. She's a cute, like, everyday style. She's kind of basic to me, but I have a feeling that these other colors are going to spice it up some. So let's go ahead and jump into some other colors, okay? All right, guys, so we're back with the other color. I had to go ahead and switch up the lip and the accessories and you know. So this time I went ahead and I shifted her to the left. Color is the DRFF2 Cinnamon Spice. She's spicy, y'all. I reviewed this color in my 201 and that color was really hitting. I feel like colors really bring out units more sometimes. I used to be so afraid of color, but they're wigs. They're wigs, girl. Go ahead and pick you a color. And don't be scared, just try it. I'm telling y'all, it'll do something to you. I like the color on this one. Outre does a really good job with their color blends. This wig is cute. She's functional. She's kind of everyday, but I'm still kind of getting mom vibes. I was hoping that I would like kind of get different kind of vibes with her, but I'm happy with the fact that it's not so thick, okay? I'm happy with the fact that it's thinner. You know, it's cute. It's cute back to school night mom vibes. Like, oh girl, what you been doing all summer? What you think I've been doing all summer? Let's go ahead and jump into the other color. Guys, so we're back with the last color. This is the DRFF Honey Brown. And I decided to go ahead and put her in the middle for you guys. Yeah, I switched up my lippy. And sometimes you gotta switch up your lippy to make the wig look okay. You know, to kind of make the color of the wig and all of that look okay. So same exact concept. This is how she comes like to wear in the middle. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I did go ahead and put a little bit of spray here just to kind of flatten it down, just to kind of make her look a little bit more natural and not so wiggy. I did the same thing with these two units. I went in with some heat and I went in with some powder. That's it. That's it. That's all we doing. That's it. With the last two units, I did pluck some hairs out because this part is really, really tight. So my conclusion of this wig is pretty much she's giving me I feel like this looks just like the 204, but she's not as thick and she's a shorter length, but she's definitely giving me those vibes. But the 204 was really like thick, you know, and you would have definitely had to thin that out. But she's kind of giving me like 204 mixed with 201 vibes. I don't know. She's cute. She's everyday. Is she one of my favorite Neeshas? Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this one. I'm feeling really mommy in this wig. I know I'm a mom, but let me know how y'all feel about this. Which color are you guys liking more? Are you liking the more natural? Are you a spicy cinnamon girl? Or are you kind of a blonde? Which one are you guys liking? Let's go ahead and chat it up in the comments. Overall, I do like the improvements. I do like the fact that Outre is listening. She's light. She's good for summer. Yes, she's a natural density, but she's still wearable in the summer for me. I don't feel like she gonna get too hot. Back here might start to get a little hot, but I mean, that's just wigs in general. But I don't feel like she's so thick like the old ones. Definitely check that description box below. I'm not sure if these wigs probably will be sold in my wig sale. I do sell my wigs, so check that description box below. I don't sell them like once a month or every couple months. I actually upload my wigs pretty frequently, like after I record. Sometimes I just upload it because I can't keep these wigs. So check that description box if she's not gone yet. Anyways, let me know what you guys are thinking about this. Chat it up in the comments. Let me know your favorite colors. And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.